Welcome back, you guys. I'm Tassie, and today I'm eating Popeyes. So, Eat Life with Kimchi, who I follow and I absolutely love her. She mostly does, I think all she does is ASMR videos. Now, she nominated me to do the chicken nugget challenge, and I will get to it. I just don't have time right now. I'm eating Popeyes because of her. So, she actually uploaded this video of her eating chicken. And so, since then, I've been wanting chicken, so I'm eating Popeyes first. And then I will do the chicken nugget challenge. So, we have here my green spicy Thai sauce, which she actually had a version of it too that she was eating. And then white rice, and we have orange pop. So yeah, y'all can just thank her for this video because I have been craving chicken like crazy since I saw her eating it. And she's like really good at doing ASMR. I don't think I'm good at doing ASMR. People really, they have commented to me and they really like me doing it, but I just don't think I'm good at it. I think it's because I feel weird when I do ASMR videos. Because I have to remind myself, like, not to talk. And not to make, like, excessive noises. And I like to talk. So... It's actually like 8:30 at night. I'm finally sitting down to eat. I've been super busy with work and everything. Trying to record all my videos of me eating though. I've been super, super busy. I'm going to try to do an ASMR of fried lobster. Somebody had asked me to do that. And do you guys know, so I love to watch James and Mark. They are another mukbang channel. They're such a cute couple. We've done a collaboration together before. But they do like really cute things though. Like they'll do like dancing videos and I think it's super cute. Now, I also love to watch Thean. And he is a huge mukbanger. But I'm really, really jealous because James and Mark, they actually did a mukbang with Thean and I was so jealous. Now the best part was they were live. So I could like write and talk to them. And it was really fun because they were drinking too. And they were doing the chicken nugget challenge. Now, it was like really fun just seeing them and, you know, their personalities and everything, and seeing the three of them together. I'm in Minnesota, so it's a little hard to see them. But I would love to do a mukbang collaboration with them. But like James and Mark, they have this really, really cute dog. And I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably just spend most of the time with the dog. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's like half of an actual piece. I don't know. I think this is the butt. But yeah, it was like really, really small. I do feel really bad though because of my time. I haven't had time for my other channel where I talk about like my ghost stories, and I feel really, really bad. The last time I uploaded was like the week before Halloween. And that channel is really just when I have time anyways, but I still try to keep up, and I try to post like once a week. But it's been really hard with my time. There's been a lot of changes at work, and I now work a lot later than I used to. So I used to get off at 4 every day. Now I don't get off until like 5:30. And with daylight savings, it's getting darker now. So I just feel like rushed. And like if I'm trying to hit up the gym for an hour, trying to plan my dinners, trying to edit after this, I have like a ton of editing to do. eventually things will calm down at work. But I hate it how it's like 6 o'clock and it's like super dark out because it's winter time now. And I don't know where you guys live, but here in Minnesota, like, it gets really dark fast, like by 5 o'clock. So I just feel like the days are shorter. Even though technically it's not. But like, if it's 7 o'clock but it looks like it's midnight outside, I don't really want to run to Target, you know? This weekend, I actually have a baby shower to go to. And you know, lately, a lot of baby showers I go to, it's like co-ed. They just have the guys there. But I felt like back then, like a few years back, it was like strictly just women. But then like nowadays, a lot of baby showers, you cannot bring children. Like, I don't have any children, but I think it's kind of weird. I have been to a lot of baby showers where there was a lot of drinking, but it was kind of like, because the guys were there, they were drinking a lot. Now, I actually do have some friends who do have children. If the baby shower does not allow children, they just don't go. You know, just because they don't have a sitter. Hunting season is here. A lot of guys, they go hunting. So they just don't have a sitter for their kids. So they just don't go. They do get mad, too. Like, I've had friends who did a baby shower. And, like, people who are close to the girl, like her sister-in-law, the hosts, they told her that she couldn't bring her kids. She got mad. Because she was like, you know, I'm her sister-in-law. There should be an exception for me, but they had to say no to everybody else too. So they couldn't make an exception for her because then everybody else would have gotten mad. But yeah, the sister-in-law got super mad that she couldn't bring her kids. She didn't go to it. I don't go to many parties with children. Most of the time, if it's like a house party, there's kids there. But you know, if everybody's dressing up, going out to dinner in the bar, no one brings their kids. Especially not at dinner, because we're all going to go out to the bar afterwards. At Asian house parties, you don't even see the children. I don't know if it's just Asian house parties, but like my boyfriend, his friends don't really have young kids though. But I don't know, at Asian house parties, like, you know, all these people have children, but you never see the children. Because the children just go to like one room and where all the kids are and they just stay there. And then only if like something happens, a kid got into a fight or something, like toddlers, like then you'll hear about it. But you never see children at Asian house parties. At least that's how it is with my friends and family. My boyfriend didn't believe me until he went to parties. You don't see the kids. I don't know why. We don't tell them they can't be there. But I think because they know a lot of adults are just drinking and hanging out. Even at that actual kid's birthday, I only see the kid when they're doing the cake, but they don't even open the gifts at the party. It's kind of like they just do the cake, everybody eats, and everybody just drinks and hangs out all day. And so, like, the kids just open the gifts on their own, but they don't really do, like, where the kid sits there and opens up every gift. But it's, like, 30 families there. That's a lot of gifts for the kid to just keep opening every single one. I guess it'd be different if it was, like, 5 gifts or something, but I, like, my own nieces and nephews, I never see them. Like, my last nephew, he's 6 years old. I have 13 of them, okay? But my last nephew, his birthday, I saw him when I walked in and I gave him his gift, and they had already done the cake because I was late, and I didn't see him again the rest of the party. But like when I go to my boyfriend's side of the family, very different. Children are everywhere. Like, children are like the main focus. People aren't doing shots at the main table. Alright, you guys, I'm done eating. Thanks for watching.